Changing your phone number on Instagram is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information quickly. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account for which you want to change the phone number. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can access your account settings. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines menu in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings to open the account settings. Step 4. Edit profile. In the Settings menu, tap on Account, then select Personal Information. Here, you will find your current phone number listed. Tap on it to edit. Step 5. Update phone number. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Now your phone number is successfully changed on Instagram. Remember to keep your contact information up to date for account security and recovery options.